Sorry. Am I blocking your...
No, you're good.
Okay, good.
You're not big enough to block anything.
Thank you.
Except
That's really sweet.
car.
Except for that car that you just cut off. It's okay. Good morning. It is Saturday. Where are we going?
We're going to Sola.
And what are we getting?
I'm getting bacon and eggs and black coffee.
And what am I getting?
You're gonna get mini donuts and a vanilla latte and probably some eggs with cheese.
He knows me very well. We'll see you at Sola. Thank you.
We're at Sola. Jamie O'Brien. What do you want to tell us about Sola? And donuts.
Little donuts. Oh, hello! Look at the baby! Literally within 2 seconds. So cute. You look adorable. Hi, little baby. Dude, you look perfect on camera. Look at that little face. Look at your little face. Oh. Say hi. Hello, little baby. Your daughter's gonna be the star of the show. Are you okay with that?
Oh, you're not gonna wait for me, are you?
This is the OOTD. We got our little Steve Maddens, our Forever 21 gray jeans, Home State Apparel t-shirt, and the North Face rain jacket. Because it's raining. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing Johnston & Murphy wingtip shoes. I'm wearing gray jeans. I'm wearing a Home State Apparel shirt from my home state of West Virginia. Represent, Mountaineers are always free. I've got Lulu pullover.
Oh, you're so fancy. What beard oil are you wearing?
Oh, I don't know. Forget.
And what about your hairspray?
I don't know, it's your hairspray.
He's wearing the Chi Ultra,
Hold.
no, Chi something.
Sounds like a karate move.
Chi!
The Chi Ultra Hold.
The Chi Ultra Hold. Hiya!
Jamie's trying to film and I just pumped the brakes. Hey guys, so I took Jamie's camera and we're not gonna get her on there because she's always in here. You always see my head. Here, let me chop your head in half. Hey look, what's up guys? Hi.
Hi.
We're at Lasseter Mill Park. We're gonna take a little walk before we go back and she takes a nap and I go do some work. This ought to be good. She's braver than I am. Hey, Rocky.
Little steps. They're so cute. That's perfect.
That's perfect.
Thank you. I did it. Okay.
Quick. Let's go find that flower.
I tell you, this flower has been following us around. We went to Greensboro yesterday to do some filming and it was all down 40 the whole drive. I went on a run the other day. I ran past it. It was in the coffee shop that we went to today.
In a vase.
In a vase. It wasn't growing on the walls or anything.
Over the water.
There it is.
It's pretty. Right there.
There's literally a biking parade happening like right now.
Yeah, I wonder if it's like a fundraiser or something. All these people riding their bikes and talking. Focus, no talking.